in my heart. I don't know. Every day I'm thinking so much. Yeah, baby. Come on. Show me love. See, I promise you, I want to marry you. Wow, I want to marry you. I want to see your father and your mother and ask how much do you get? And what I can't hear one man better say, oh, my English is so bad for you. Right, I'm ready to marry you. I'm telling you. After the marriage, you go to honeymoon. After the wedding, honeymoon, you go to Jamaica, your hometown. To happy ourselves, enjoying. Gosh, baby, I'm thinking so hard for you, know. Please don't forget.
No.
Don't allow anybody, because those guys in America, all guys be bad guys. But me, I'm just as fine. I'm truthfully dying. I'm talking for them. I support you. Nobody can touch you. Nobody can touch you. Nobody.
Nobody.
Yes, nobody. And nobody. Including Akata for Akata. Who? He touch you? Baby. In my car, I have more than 10,000 guys. I can spray. I'm telling you. Because you are my love. You are my big love. Gosh. I love you so much. God, thank you. You giving me my heart, baby girl, beautiful girl, my baby girl. Tell me something, baby. Give me a hug, man. I say peg. Hey, Jamaica peg. Hi, baby, come on. I love you. I love you so much.
Ayuko, Kennedy, Japan. Ayuko.
She's my mother.
Your mother?
Yeah, my mother.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
Come on.
Hi, Ma.
Hey, hold it there.
Hi, Ma.
Don't you know he's my... Hey, get up. Get up. Hey.
Baby, let's go. Baby, let's go. Hi, my mom.
Hey.
My mom.
Hi,
Mom.
Don't you mean how? So what do you mean?
Let's go. Oh, my president. Oh, Jamaica. Oh, president.
Hey, do you know me?
Hi, Ma.
Don't fight with me, okay? Hey, do you know me?
Yes. Mommy. Mom, I'm hungry.
Telling me shit.
Mom, I'm hungry.
That's my man. I'm pregnant for him.
Oh!
So let me tell you something. You shouldn't fight with my guy, okay? I don't want you to fight with my guy.
He's my man.
Hey, what are you telling me?
He's my man.
No, that's my man.
No.
No.
This is my man.
No.
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 This is my
Hey.
man.
I want you.
Hey.
Hey, can I do it?
Ebenezer. Somebody come here. Ebenezer.
Don't tell me, okay?
Don't
Don't
So is
tell
this
me.
true?
You say?
Is this true?
But let's go. Oh, no. Let me talk to you.
Hey. Who am I, my neighbor?
Say.
Hey,
He told me he
I
wants
want to
to
tell
marry
you
me.
something before I leave.
He
No,
I
I want to tell you something before I
She forced to
leave.
marry me.
If you get close to
She
him
forced
again,
me.
I'm going to curse you.
Oh, really?
Jay, so don't get close to my guy. I want to tell you though. I'm very, very serious about what I'm saying. You shouldn't fuck with my
Yes,
guy.
you can't.
Hey, and come with someone chame. Me say come with someone chame. Home it. Come. So the media ground. Dimension. Stupid girl. Dimension.
This is true.
My wife said,
Hey, get up, okay? I'm taking my guy. So get up.
But I'm not speaking to you.
You can't even speak to to me.
It's
You can't even speak
It's
to me.
true. It's true,
You
but
see?
it's true,
No.
but
Oh, really?
but it's empty.
Really?
Yeah,
Kennedy. Come in here, bro.
baby.
Kennedy. You know, come on. Kennedy. I'm from India, bro. Kennedy. Kennedy. Kennedy.
It's true. No,
Don't fuck with me.
it's true.
What are you going to say? Go, go, watch out.
Why you block?
Look here. Mama, my dad go. Mama, my dad go. My number, I'm making a new first advance. Hey, my dad over here. My dad over here. My dad. I'm coming down. My dad. Mama said that. Okay. I'll not give you chocolate. I'll never give you chocolate.
Okay. So why am I chopping one?
Listen, Sam.
No way.
Sam, you are my. Yeah, I swear.